Happy birthday to you. That's why you got up so damn early, huh? Happy birthday to you. Y'all got jokes, right? Oh, damn! Y'all got jokes, huh? L is for the you bastard. I got jokes, huh? Very, very extraordinary. Just even more than anything that you ever can love. That's all that I can give to you. Oh my God! I'm gonna get you. True love, take my heart and please, and that love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you. Where you going, D? It ain't over. Mexican. Happy birthday, man. Thank you. See the resemblance? Look at the resemblance. You guys look like twins. Oh, let me do this. Oh my God. Es un chico muy mono usted. Gracias. I was wondering why the hell you getting up so dang early and getting dressed. I'm like, you like hairy guys? You like hairy guys? Very happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. I'll take it. Huh? She's what? A dancing gorilla. That's his job. More short. He's a dancing gorilla. I'm gonna take you back, bro. Hey, I'm gonna go get my truck. Those cameras. Yeah, is it good? Yeah. They used to call you Mona, and they got you one for your birthday, man. God damn. Oh, bro, the best. The best. This was the best. Where the hell you find that guy at? Fuck a birthday party. Just bring a gorilla in the morning, nigga. Jesus Christ.